Ready to streamline your eBay earnings and take control of your finances directly on the platform? Let's dive into eBay Managed Payments. First, head over to your eBay Seller Hub and locate the Payments section. This is your central hub for all things money-related with managed payments. Within Payments, you'll find your payout schedule here. You can see upcoming payouts, view past transactions, and even track when your funds are dispersed to your bank account. eBay typically processes payouts on a daily basis, so you'll want to understand your specific schedule. Let's talk fees. Managed Payments simplifies this by consolidating most fees into a single, easy-to-understand deduction from your payout. You'll see a clear breakdown of these fees, including final value fees and any applicable listing or promotional charges, directly within your payout details. To keep your business finances organized, explore the Reports section. This is where you can download detailed reports of your payouts, transactions, and fees. These reports are invaluable for bookkeeping, tax preparation, and understanding your sales performance over time. When it comes to refunds, Managed Payments handles them seamlessly. Any refunds you issue will be automatically deducted from your outstanding balance or future payouts, ensuring your financials stay up to date. By consolidating payments and providing clear reporting, eBay Managed Payments empowers you to manage your earnings directly within the platform, simplifying your financial workflow and allowing you to focus more on selling. Start leveraging eBay Managed Payments today for hassle-free financial management.